Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. I must apologise firstly for the noise in the background. As you all know that there's a school behind me, so the children are playing out, so we'll just have to work around that. So today I'm going to be showing you, a lot of you have been asking what sort of fertilisers or that do I use in my garden. So I'm going to show you what I use. The first thing what I use is bloodfish and bone. This is one of the go-to things what a lot of gardeners use. And if you go down at our allotment, they sell it in bags like this. It's cheaper than the shop. I think there's about 2 kilos in here for £3, which is not a bad price. My next thing I use is chicken manure pellets. So that's the other thing that I use. You can see this is all natural stuff. And I'll get a bag like this at my allotment for £1.60, which is a lot cheaper than the shops. Would also use Grow More. Just very rarely I use this one. That's why I've still got this tub for how many years now it's been here. But I hardly use that. The other thing what I use, which I haven't got out here, is Epsom salts. So those are the main 3 I use. Over the season I might use some tomato right, depending on what my tomatoes look like when they come out. If they're starting to yellow, then I use Epsom salt and spray them with, and then I might put some tomato rights at the roots. So that's the main fertilisers what I use. I don't use none of the other artificial stuff and that. These are just my main go-to ones what I use all the time. So that's the fertilisers out of the way. So today what I'm going to be doing in my garden, I brought some succulents. I was trying to get the rockery for it, but these are in my conservatory and they need to plant out, so I'm just going to put them in one of these tubs. I've got quite a few tubs what I can use now because I've got the allotment, and I'm going to show you what I do. It's mostly succulents what I'm going to just put in there, so I'm going to get them and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so I've got my plants. I keep saying I've got to order some more Epsom salt. This is all I've got left. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of Epsom salt on that. This is last year's. I had my tomatoes in here, so I'm going to put some chicken manure pellets in there. Into that bag. Some bloodfish and bone in here as well. You might think that this is a lot, but it's just to replenish the soil from last year. And I'm just going to fork that in. See any greenery, just take it out. My fertiliser's gone in. Right, so this is one of my first. This is a Succulent mix. I hope they ain't got all the same name on them. And this says that these can be planted in full sun or part shade. So I think that's why they're grown at a fast rate in my garden. These was in my conservatory. When I brought them, I only brought them about a week or so, and you can see how much they're growing, so they need to come out of my conservatory. This one I'm going to plant on the side. Just cover, lightly tap it in. So I've got a selection. This is a sedum mix. So that's what the label looks like. It's a sedum mix. So you can plant this one in the middle. Should have put the covers back on those fertilisers there. I'll give a horrible reek. Right, this is called a Succulent again. They're just called Succulent mix, but they're all different. Don't know why they don't have the normal names for them. So I'm just going to take them out so you can see them, and then I'm going to plant them. Right. So you can see they're putting on some growth in my conservatory. So they're all got the same name. Apart from these, this is another sedum mix. So that's what that one looks like. So I'm going to put these all in there, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got my succulents or sedums in. That's how I've put mine. I'm just going to wait till when my daughter comes. I think she knows where to get the seeds from. The stones rather. So all I'm going to do now is just put some stones around so that they can fountain over and that, and then it'll look nice. So that's my succulents. So if you like these videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave the comments in the comment section. We will try and answer as many as we can, and I hope you like the progress that we're making so far, especially at the allotment. We've still got a way to go, so if you've got any suggestions of what to plant, I'm trying to find everything what's different to plant down there. You can see I haven't really made headway on my garden. I've got some compost what I brought from the allotment. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Nice black compost. So that's what I'm going to be planting my sweet potatoes in this year. So that's why I brought these up. That's what I'm going to be using for my sweet potatoes at home. Put that in there. So hit the notification bell and you're going to see the different things that I'm going to be planting for this year. So you all take care, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.